The Fibonacci sequence, also known as a Leonardo-Fibonacci, Leonardo of Pisa or Leonardo Bigolo Pisano, was an Italian mathematician from the Republic of Pisa, considered to be the most talented Western mathematicians of the Middle Age. Origin of Fibonacci sequence was discovered after an investigations on the reproductions of rabbit. Fibonacci sequence is an integer in the infinite sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 13, of which the first two terms are 1 and 1, and each succeeding term is the sum of the two immediately preceding. The Fibonacci sequence is defined by the recursive formula f sub n equals to f sub n minus 2 plus f sub n minus 1, where f1 equals f2 equals 1. When we say recursive formula, it is expressed to determine the n term of the sequence. For example, give the recursive formula for the Fibonacci sequence f sub n equals f sub n minus 2 plus f sub n minus 1. Find the following: a f3, b f4, c f5, d f6. The solutions. To find f3, the formula f sub n equals f sub n minus 2 plus f sub n minus 1. f3 equals f sub 3 minus 2 plus f sub 3 minus 1 equals f sub 1. So 3 minus 2 equals 1 plus f sub 2 equals 1 plus 1 equals 2. So f sub 3 equals 2. To find f sub 4, use the formula f sub n equals f sub n minus 2 plus f sub n minus 1. f sub 4 equals f sub 4 minus 2 plus f sub 4 minus 1. f sub 4 equals f sub 4 minus 2 equals f sub 2 plus f sub 4 minus 1 equals f sub 3. So f sub 4 plus 1 plus 2 equals f sub 4 equals 3. To find the f5 or f sub 5, use the formula f sub n equals f sub n minus 2 plus f sub n minus 1 equals f sub 5 minus 2 equals 3 plus f sub 5 minus, so f sub 3, the value of f sub 3 equals 2 and value of f4 equals 3. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. So f sub 5 equals 5. To find f6 or f sub 6, fn equals fn minus 2 plus fn minus 1 equals f6 minus 2 equals f6 minus 1. f6 equals f sub 4 plus f sub 5. f sub 6 equals 3 plus 5. So f sub 6 equals 8. To find f sub 2, you can add 1 plus 1 equals 2. To find f sub 3, you can add 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. So you can find 7 term. Add 5 plus 8 equals 13. So that the f sub 7 equals 13.